So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set up automatic weekly stock buys on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom bar and press on accounts, then scroll to where it says all and press on all. Then under trade, go and press on auto buy. So once you're here, you can select the US market or the Canadian market, whatever you're looking for. So for this example, if I wanted to do Tesla, for instance, for this example, I'll press on invest right here. Where it's investing amount, you can go ahead and select your money. So I'll just do 10 as an example. And for frequency right here, so if you're looking to set up weekly stock buys, make sure that weekly option is selected, and you can go ahead and select which day of the week you want to buy on. So if you wanted to buy on every Wednesday, for instance, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Monday, select whatever one you want, press on confirm, and then super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to set up automatic weekly stock buys on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.